My name is Andreas Grimsel and I'm Product Marketing Manager for Interface Technology at Pepperl+Fuchs. In this video, I'd like to show you how to configure the temperature converter for the SC system signal conditioner line on your computer. The module converts input signals of resistance thermometers or thermocouples into analog standard signals. It is supplied by a power supply module and a power bus. A PT100 temperature sensor is connected via a two-wire cable. In order to check the correct configuration later, an analog meter is connected to the module's output. To configure the temperature converter, you first connect the module via an adapter cable to the PC and set the PC configuration for dip switches as described in the datasheet. By the way, you can download the configuration software scconfig at Pepperl+Fuchs.com and directly start it without any installation. Upon starting the software, you will see the connected device. In the menu File, you can open saved configuration files. Under Settings, you can change the language or the communication settings. Double-click to select your module now. In the device menu, you can select additional diagnostics and simulation functions that are useful for your setup. Under Settings, you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now let's start the configuration. Based on my test setup, I choose PT100 for the sensor type and two-wire for the connection. In my example, the measuring range should be 10 to 30 degrees and the cable resistance negligibly small. As you can see, the diagram, the characteristics and the dip switch diagram also change according to the settings. Now you can enter a test point number up to 16 digits. Finally, you configure your settings for the output signal span, the characteristics curve and the error behavior. In my example, I choose settings that are often used. 0 to 10 volt, rising for the characteristics, and 0 volt for error indication. Save your settings and transmit them to the device by clicking Start. Under File, you can export your settings as a PDF file. Now I want to check the correct configuration with the sensor and the analog meter. At room temperature around 20 degrees, the analog meter pointer is approximately in the middle. When heating the sensor, the deflection approaches the maximum value. If you cool down the sensor temperature below the measuring range limit of 10 degrees, this will be indicated in the diagnostics tool. So the module has been configured correctly. As you can see, you can easily configure the SC system's temperature converter using the software. The great advantage compared to using dip switches is that the software allows much finer settings and it's able to document them. More information on the SC system as well as the software for download are available on our website. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and thank you for watching.